In today's video, I will be showing you how to do some stitch feed-in braids on my mannequin head. So if you would like to learn how to do stitch feed-in braids, then make sure you stay tuned. So I'm using my mannequin head, as you guys can see, and I'm just showing you my parts, you know, nothing major. And I'm using some gem. Now if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I'm dropping hella gems, sis. So yeah, I'm going to be using some gem, and I'm doing this because I want my braids to be neat and I want them to be smooth as a baby's bottom. Okay, so I'm going to put that around the parts on each side and at the top. Now once I'm done applying this gem, I'm gonna comb it in, so once again it'll be smooth like butter, and you won't get those what's some things called cowlicks. You don't want to get no cowlicks, because then it's gonna be like a bumpy, ugly braid, and no, we don't do ugly on this channel, as you guys know. So yeah, at the top I'm going to part out a very small section, and I'm going to divide this section into 3. And what I'm going to do is just, you know, do a regular French braid, cornrow, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to take that right strand and I'm going to go under that middle strand and on top of that left strand. And then I'm going to take that left strand, go under the middle strand and on top of the right strand. And that's what I'm doing the entire braid. So I like to add my hair on the left side. Some people like to do it on the right side. You know, whatever you prefer, sis, that's on you. But I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to add, well, you know, make a small little part, pull it taut, and then I'm going to add my strand of hair. And I'm using the comb here, I'm showing you, but I also show you how to do it without a comb. I like to use my pinky fingers, it's just easier for me, and you know, that's that. So I'm going to braid it again, go in with the comb, and I'm going to make a small part. I'm going to pull that little piece that I made, that part, a little bit taut, and then I'm going to use my hand to smooth down the other hair so that, you know, you could start to see the pattern. Another gem I will drop is, you know, when you are adding your strands of hair, you want to make sure that they are, you know, similar in size to the amount of hair that you have in your hand where you're going to be adding that hair at. Because if it's too big, like, you're going to notice, you're going to see where you added that hair at, and it's just not going to look right, sis. So, you know, I'm saving you time and I'm saving you, you know, embarrassment or whatever you want to call it. So just, you know, go off the same size. And the bigger that the braid gets, so the further I go down, the bigger the strands of hair I will be adding in. So as you can see here, again, I'm pulling it taut, pulling the hair down a little bit, adding hair, and then I'm going to braid down. Now to each its own, everyone does this different, but for me, this is how I get my braids to lay flat as possible and to look bomb as fuck. Like, that's just how I do this. So as you can see, I'm using my fingers at this point because that comb was no. And I zoomed in so you can see how the parts are looking, like the stitch, the actual stitches. And so you can see exactly what I'm doing with my fingers. Like, look at my braid is beautiful. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here. I only show me doing one braid on camera because this is a mannequin head, and I don't, you know, I just don't really have anyone, I don't know anybody where I live at, let's be honest. So I can't really do that many people's hair. But for whoever is watching this video, so if you stay in the Rochester, Minnesota area and you are not camera shy, reach out to me, please, because, you know, help you grow, help me out. I would love to do your hair. All you got to do is DM me or email me. All of that information will be listed in the description box below. And if you have any suggestions of any content that you want me to put out, you know, just leave that in the comment section down below. I respond to everyone, you know, I read every comment. So yeah, make sure you do that, and stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing a in-depth tutorial of how to do knotless box braids. Again, it'll be on my mannequin, and I have a snippet of that at the end of this video. So yeah. Oh, before I go, I also want to say, if you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know I haven't posted in a while, and I will be uploading a video very soon about that, of why I've been gone for so long. So I'll keep you guys updated. But thank you all to, you know, everyone who is still in my corner. Like, thank you so much for still supporting me. So I won't talk you guys to death. I will let you watch the rest of this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn those, you know, turn that bell, click it on, so you could just notify, you know, you be notified whenever I upload. So with further ado, until next time, bye.